Sometimes while going through your photos, you may want to know if a flash was used. With the photo selected, go into the Library module and ensure the right panel is viewable. Go to Metadata. We will select EXIF, Exchangeable Image File Format, from the drop-down for ease of discovery, but note that flash information appears in default, and EXIF and IPTC as well. Go down the list of metadata until you find Flash. Here, we can see that the flash did fire. This will be the case when, for example, a camera brand speed light or an integrated flash is used, even on a mobile phone. Unfortunately, this is all the information Lightroom Classic gives us. It does not show extra information like exposure compensation, flash zoom, etc. If we select another photo from the same shoot, we can see that in this instance the flash did not fire. If you select a photo where a flash was used, but for example it was a non-camera brand speed light that does not support ETTL or evaluative through the lens operation, then did not fire, may be recorded in the metadata. This can also occur when using non-camera brand or non-ETTL compliant triggers, which was the case in this photo. There will be occasions where nothing is recorded in the metadata. For instance, if you select an image which is not a photo, but was created through other means, and therefore flash information is irrelevant, the flash field will be blank. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.